Brisbane Airport's International Women's Day panel event, and we've all just been talking about our women's role in aviation.
One of the things I really like about this year's theme of Accelerating Action is the focus on long-term sustainable progress, not just short-term actions. As the mother of a teenage boy and a teenage girl, it's important that we lift up our boys and our girls for progress to be made.
And our hope is that in a few years' time, we're not having to have these conversations anymore because we've accelerated so far that we've made them redundant, and globally everyone's come on the journey with us.
It's a really important day. I think it's a nice time to stop and remember the progress that we've made and how far that we still need to go.
The panellists were really insightful with the things that they discussed, brought a lot of really interesting points of their own past and how they got where they're going.
What really inspired me was that, you know, it's kind of like a choose your own adventure. You don't have to be so confident in what you want to do. You don't have to have the skill sets, but aviation is just a learning opportunity. It's an ecosystem, and when you enter in, you can find what your passions are, you can find what things interest you.
Women today coming from all different backgrounds and different industries and with different skill set, and really enjoyed hearing about their stories and, you know, their longevity in the industry and still their passion in doing what they do.
International Women's Day is a great platform for us to celebrate women in aviation, but it's not just a one day only. Every day of the year we are celebrating women and moving and progressing diversity and inclusion. So I fully welcome International Women's Day every year to be able to say thank you to women in aviation.